Hello again everyone, this is Mia Shana. We have a hotel job which is scheduled for interview tomorrow. The job description for this will be front office staff, but there's also housekeeping for this. This is located in Shimotakai district in Nagano. We're looking for 2 people for this, and the salary will be from 182,000 yen 600 to 330,000 yen, and there will be bonus also. So this is actually a hot spring hotel located in Nagano at Shimatakai district in Nagano. So this is scheduled for interview tomorrow, January 30, Tuesday, at our main office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So if you are willing to apply for this job, please comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 0362068058. Sa mga kababayan ko po na nandito sa Japan na naghahanap po ng trabaho, ito po isang hot spring hotel po ito, located po sa Shimatakai district sa Nagano po. Ang sweldo po nito is nagre-range siya sa from almost 19 lapad to 33 kalapad po, at may bonus din po ito. Dalawa lang po ang kailangan namin dito. Meron din, may front office po at may housekeeping din po. So sa mga gusto po mag-apply dyan, bukas po naka-schedule Tuesday. Ang interview location po will be sa office po namin sa Tokyo at Kanda Station po. So comment lang po kayo kung interested po kayo. Sa other jobs po naman, everyday po meron kami schedule from Monday to Sunday. Thank you.